The Great Garden Quest. In a quaint village far away, there resided a spunky little girl named Mia. Mia's curiosity knew no bounds, and she was always on the lookout for adventure. One bright morning, her teacher, the ever-enthusiastic Miss Green, revealed an exciting plan. They were going to transform a patch of land at school into a vibrant garden. Mia couldn't contain her excitement. What better way to unravel the mysteries of science than by nurturing a garden, she thought to herself. That very afternoon, Mia and her gang of pals gathered in the schoolyard armed with seeds, spades, and watering cans. "Let's kick things off by planting the seeds," declared Miss Green. "Any guesses on what comes next?" Mia's hand shot up in the air. "They'll blossom into plants," she exclaimed. "Spot on," beamed Miss Green. "But what do these plants need to thrive?" The kids chimed in unison. "Sunshine, water, rich soil." Recalling her favorite science lesson on photosynthesis, Mia shared, "Plants whip up their meals using sunlight, water, and soil. They breathe in carbon dioxide and dish out oxygen. Together, they dug tiny pockets in the soil and nestled sunflower, carrot, and tomato seeds." Mia tenderly watered each one, envisioning the spectacular blooms and delectable veggies that awaited. Days rolled by, and the minuscule seeds began to sprout. Mia marveled at how each plant stretched taller and sturdier, yearning for the sun's rays. She delved into the world of roots that slurped up water and nutrients from the earth, and stems that acted as sturdy pillars for the plants. One fine day, Mia spotted a troop of ants bustling about the garden. "What's their deal?" she pondered. Miss Green enlightened her. "Ants help aerate the soil and act as guardians against pesky pests." With summer fast approaching, the garden burst into life. Majestic sunflowers towered high, and emerald tomato plants sagged under the weight of plump fruits. Mia's taste buds tingled in anticipation of the scrumptious harvest. At long last, the awaited day arrived. They plucked ripe tomatoes, crunchy carrots, and a handful of sunflower seeds for a snack. "These are beyond delicious," Mia hollered. It dawned on her that their combined efforts and nurturing had metamorphosed tiny seeds into a resplendent garden. Mia realized that science wasn't confined to textbooks, it was a living, breathing marvel, especially in the lap of nature. She pledged to forever explore and question, understanding that every scientific escapade unraveled fresh wonders. Henceforth, Mia and her gang kept their garden blooming, serving as a beacon of nature's marvels to the entire village. This tale seamlessly weaves scientific concepts into a delightful narrative, igniting a spark of curiosity about the natural world and its wonders. If you hunger for more tales or specific science sagas, just give a shout.